Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by restoring the visible ribbon so you can access controls. Press Ctrl plus F1 to toggle the ribbon. This often fixes a hidden menu immediately. If that does not do it, right-click any tab and select Show Tabs and Commands to force full display. Once done, double-click a tab to pin the ribbon open so it won't collapse. These steps are fast and reversible, and they address the most common cause: a minimized or collapsed ribbon rather than a damaged file or settings problem. Next, you'll confirm ribbon settings and reset if needed. Open File, Options, then Customize Ribbon so you can see active tabs. Use Reset to restore defaults if items are missing. After resetting, check Quick Access toolbar and restore any removed commands. If the menu still behaves oddly, go to Options, Add-ins, and manage COM add-ins. Disable suspicious entries and restart Excel. Once done, test the menu. Disabling problematic add-ins often resolves conflicts that hide or remove ribbon elements unexpectedly. Finish by repairing or isolating the problem when settings changes fail. Use Windows Settings or Control Panel to run a quick or online repair for Office. This restores corrupt program files that break the menu. Alternatively, start Excel in safe mode by holding Control during launch or running Excel/safe to see if add-ins or startup files cause issues. Once repaired, update Office and reapply customizations. Troubleshooting tip: if menus still misbehave, start in safe mode. If the ribbon is normal there, a disabled add-in or startup file is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.